Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to schedule a live on Instagram. First we're gonna click on this icon here. Next we're gonna select live, that's down here. And now we're gonna click on schedule. So you can add your video title, for example, live. And now you're gonna click on start time. You're gonna schedule it for where, for example, for tomorrow at 11:30 a.m. Then you're gonna click on done. Then you're gonna click on schedule live video. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!